Download the Zoho Backstage app on either App Store or Google Play. Open the app and search WHC. Click on the menu button on the top left and then click Sign In. There are 3 ways to sign in. 1. Enter your email address and this will send you an OTP that you will then need to input. Another way is to scan the QR code on your ticket. The last way is to enter your ticket number and either first or last name. Once you are signed up, you will need to create your profile. Fill in your name, designation, write a little about yourself. You can also provide your social media handles. Make sure to upload a photo and once done hit save. Make sure to turn on public profile. If you do not do this, then your profile will not be public and people will be unable to network with you. To network, go to the menu button and scroll down to networking. Here you will be able to see everyone's profile. You are able to search for someone at the top. If you click on someone's profile, you will be able to see their profile and be able to use the chat function to speak to delegates during Congress.